Hello and welcome back to AutoCAD Electrical Pro. In AutoCAD Electrical, a ladder is the structural framework of your schematic. It's made of two vertical rails with horizontal rungs, and each rung has a unique reference number. AutoCAD Electrical uses this ladder to automate wire numbers, component tags, and cross-references. So before you place any components or wires, you start by inserting a ladder to give your drawing a clean, consistent structure. As we can see, this circuit has been built with ladders, with the two vertical rails, the horizontal rungs, and the components. I've added a new blank drawing so we could create our own new ladder. So if you go to schematic, there's this insert ladder button here. So in here you can define the width, the spacing, what the first reference of the ladder is, and you can also specify the length, and you can specify if it is one phase, three phase, if it has no bus, no rungs. So let's just go ahead and put 10 rungs. Okay. So let's go, we'll start here in the top left corner, left click, and there we are. So now we can see that this rung here is starting at 741. If we look at the previous page, okay, so it stopped here at 740. So next page it starts at 741. So that's good. And the ladder is ready for us to start inserting components. So you could insert components. So let's just insert a component. Just put a pilot light. On. There you go. So LT light and 741, it took the numbering system from the rung number 741. So we can trim the rungs if we're not going to use them. Trimming all these runs. And then if we want them back, we can simply add them back. Another thing we can do is to add more rungs. So I had 10, I'm going to switch that to 14. As you can see, it shows a few more, but they were out of the reach of the rails. So you can also renumber the rungs. I don't want to do that. But because the rails are out of reach, I can simply just extend them. And you can have more rungs if you want to. As I've shown by adding the light, you could see that the reference of the light matched the rung number, and as well as that, any wire numbers will match the rung number. Any cross references will also make reference to the rung number. I hope you have found this video helpful, and I'll see you next time.